check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, I was Cedar Creek, California. I saw Walgreens, so I bought 3 of these things. So let's see. I'll find a miracle, destroy it. Oh God. So this time I got something different, depending on golden ages. Drink. Oh yeah. So I found 1 hit so far, 1 autograph. That is not an autograph, according to Davis. I knew, JD. Some of these corners are, sometimes these cards are like all bent out. I'm not sure that's all been. Probably don't know this guy. 87 tops. Mike Greenwell. This guy was a decent player. What that sucks. Oh, his son could be one of the best players. There, Randy Bush. We got Bush. So, oh, the guy, the cat. Okay, that's kind of cool. His 2nd year card. I was thinking the Hall of Famer, Jose Cruz. This guy was good during his time. He was a good third baseman. Good stats. I don't know how some players got David Anderson. Come on, be my friend. That'll make you match something. Blair, Javard. Oh God, why do you have these stupid? Oh, I hate these when they have like pigs when you buy these things. What kind of card is this? I'm not sure what this is. David on 1 field and has his stats. Oh, 2 different cards. Okay. I knew something was wrong. Left-handed pitcher. This guy was a decent player. He got traded during his time. He was a decent player guy though. Yeah, I got the more tops traded on the update. Mike Kelly, he was mostly with the Giants. Some of these cards. Bedell's and something. Mets. The LG benefit. Upper deck. I wanted to stop selling baseball cards. Rick Litch, he was mostly during his time a pitch hitter. Art Howell, manager. He mostly known from Moneyball. Anybody looking so good. Partex, Mime, Killing Man, and David something. Not important. So we got a team all dressed like the Black Sox. That's kind of cool. And then what do these stupid cards look like? How would that pack go? Why these are so stupid? It's kind of like back in the day. Got the cigarette. We got a football player. Jen Hinterland, the actress. Tyrus Baker. They got a horse. And this the third pack, sampling 3 package. One of the guys from Cedar Creek. Oh, we got something different. Okay, got a score. 1982. Got some trading cards. Oh, okay. Tigers, rookie, stars, Stewart, Woody Williams. Damn it, people. He's on our grab. Chris, John Hayes, Ribbon Series, I like them. Draft pick 84. Terry Moore. Senior year. There you guys got here. Bob Boone. His son is managing the Yankees now. Oh, David West. I think he died from cancer. David West. Great rookie card. Come on, be my friend. Levi's. Tom. Danny Tellin. Bo. Tar Harley. I don't know. I'm trying to find some good. Exit. Hey, look. Eric. Sean Donson, one of my favorite players. Did play the Giants, I guess the Red Sox too. Got like old card here, Ty Williams. Rookie year. Jordan Walton. Very good. Oh! Guy hit. Fine guy hit. Grant. Clubhouse. You have received a Clubhouse Graded card 2015. Okay. Funny guy hit. Then aside. Russ Johnson. Bobby something. Oh, he hit a home run. Okay, I got a funny guy hit. Then you got manager top. Larry Bird. His track record, yeah, decent career. This guy had like mostly major league total. Yeah. And Fred McGriff. Oh, Fred McGriff rookie should be Hall of Famer. That kind of hit for me. Got the deck trading. So let's see what we got here. Get this one. I'll get an autograph. Kind of cool. I'll get an Orion. No. Big head. Brad Ridge. Steve Howell. Cocaine guy. Sam Moore. New Francisco. Nah. Barry Locken. Hall of Famer. Doc Gooden. Should be a. This guy could have been a Hall of Fame. But they overpitched him. And River, Hall of Famer, did some bad things. But now once again, I feel like I hit. That's cool. Finally a hit. And cars have got that kind. Let's see, like the other hit doesn't really look like it. Autograph with John. Rookie card. Frank. Austin. Jason. Dodgers. Hey, Dodger. I got All-Star. Let's go with one of my dear players. Even blonde hair. Ricky Harmer, checklist. He had a decent career. This guy was a decent, actually a very good shortstopper. Should be a rated rookie. Yeah, he did get a rated rookie. Okay. We got Hawk. Kyle Abbott. First draft pick. Nelson. Kenny Williams. Okay, so Mike Sweetie. Mitt Hall. Got some trading cards. Second year. Oh, Rafael Malone. Okay, that's cool. Got more trading. Rookie guy. Second year. We'll see. Wayne Simon. Rafael again. Okay. Rangers. Reggie Sanders. Oh. Edgar Martinez, Hall of Famer. Did some really shady stuff for like many years. Not sure what this is right here. Kind of weird. 19 player. Hall of Famer, but he did some really shady stuff. And a bunch of these other cards are flashy. Jose Canseco. It's like the last year card. Larry. Tops traded. Jimmy Mirror. Updated, I mean, what do we call that? J. Bill. Brent. Got Taylor. Ray Conan. And Ron Austin. And then the bonus pack. The bonus pack. Bonus pack of football players. Okay, the top. Brickman Hall of Famer. Baseball Hall of Famer. Willie Pip, first baseman, New York. Good there. St. Louis and Freddie Coons, first baseman, Chicago Cubs, maybe White Sox, who knows. But it's kind of cool. Relic. Clubhouse Relic. We have VCB. Yeah, that's one good thing I got so far. So like and subscribe, let me know what you think. Maybe better next time. Thanks for watching.